children. This is Essay 1 revision, pattern 2, question paper, subject English, class 2nd. Tick the right option to answer these questions. What happened to the king in the battle? He lost the battle or his soldiers did not fight? He lost the battle. Second one, the skylark was sad because he did not want to sing in a cage. He did not like the king. He did not want to sing in a cage. Dash have very comfortable nest. Crows or mynas? That is, mynas have very comfortable nest. Different birds build their nest similarly or differently? Differently. What does the child feel when he or she sees the little star in the second line of the poem? Confused or surprised? That is, surprised. B part, write true, tick or cross if it wrong. King Lalchi had many beautiful things in his palace. Yes. When the bird was set free, he began to sing happily. True. The magpie is the cleverest bird of all at building nest. Yes. True. All the birds came to the sparrow to learn to build nest. No. Wrong. Bukka starts crying when he does not see his family in the morning. True. So next C part, unscramble the words with the help of clues. It is a small creature. Here they have unscrambled. Small creature, that is spider. S-P-I-D-E-R, spider. It is a fight between big groups, that is called as battle. B-A-T-T-L-E. This is someone famous and admired. So that is legend. L-E-G-E-N-D. Legend. This means to lose against someone, that is defeat. D-E-F-E-A-T, defeat. So D part, write the set of words. Beetle, mosquito, cockroach. This group is called as starting with I. That is insects. Insects. Blue, pink, green. Together group is called as starting letter C. So colors. Chess, basketball, cricket. Starting letter G, that is games. Parrot, cuckoo, crow, all together are birds. Right? Yes. Move on to the E part. Complete these sentences choosing words from the box. Here they have given some words. We have to take it. Ravi draws a picture. The child drinks juice. The puppy plays in the garden. My uncle cooks tasty food. The cow eats grass. Eats grass. Move on to the next F part. Circle the adjective in these sentences. Adjective means which is describing about noun. ಯಾವುದು noun describe ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So mango is a tasty fruit. How is that mango fruit? Tasty, that is adjective. Singapore is a clean city. How is that Singapore? Clean city. Rose is a beautiful flower. Beautiful. Ramu is a kind man. Kind is adjective. Mother is a busy person. Busy is adjective. Write the rhyming words. Star, are, light, night, spark, that is dark, keep, peep, high, sky. Those are the rhyming words. Circle the right options in these sentences. Sheila is dancing. Sheila, he or she? She is in my class. Peter is a good student. Peter, he or she? He studies hard. I want that pencil. It or they? It writes well. Drawing is my hobby. I or he love to draw. I love to draw. Anita is happy. She has become the class captain. Okay? Yes, move on to the I part. So, filling the blank, missing details using the words from the box. The hippopotamus is a very large animal. Very large animal. It has grey skin. It has dark grey skin. Dark grey skin. It has short legs. Short legs and a huge mouth. Huge mouth. It has a tiny tail. Tiny tail. Answer these questions. What did the king see in the cave? So answer. The king saw a spider. The king saw a spider trying to climb up the wall of the cave. The wall of the cave. Next. What did King Lalchi do when he saw something new? When King Lalchi saw something new, he took it and put it in his palace. Put it in his palace. Palace. Okay. Move on to the next one. Who was singing the song heard by the king? So, answer is the skylark. Skylark was singing. The skylark was singing the song the king heard. The king heard. Next. What can the speaker see as he goes up in the air? He can see, the speaker can see rivers, trees and cattle, cattle over the countryside, over the countryside. So question fifth one, where is the star? The star is in the sky. In the sky. Match the right options to complete these similes. So we have to match it now. As light as a feather, as sharp as a needle, as soft as silk. So this is your pattern second, children. You have to practice it for essay 1 exam.